In the 1987 film Street Trash, a case of expired liquor from the 1960s called Tenafly Viper is unleashed upon the vagabond community, causing anyone who drinks it to melt away into a hideous rainbow of goo. Learn how to make my color-changing Tenafly Viper cocktail on this episode of Rue Morgue TV. And if you make this recipe, post a picture on social media and tag me for a chance to be featured. And don't forget to pick up issue number 190 to get the full recipe. For the Tenafly Viper liquor, mix together the vodka or clear alcohol of choice and the butterfly pea flower powder. That's a mouthful. Mix until fully dissolved. And if you'd like your drink to fizz, foam, and change color much like the victims in the film, you can also make these flavored fizzing drink tablets to drop in the cocktail just before serving. Mix together the pink lemonade mix, citric acid, and baking soda. Using a spray bottle, add a very small amount of water just until the mixture begins to stick together like wet sand. Press into small candy molds and allow to dry for 12 hours. Gently remove from molds and allow to dry for another 12 hours. For each cocktail, fill a tall glass with ice and top with the Tenafly Viper liquor, Island Punch Pucker, and peach schnapps. Fill the remainder of the glass with flavored seltzer or lemon lime soda. Top with a generous squeeze of lime juice and a fizzing tablet if using, just before serving. The cocktail will change color from a dark blue to a bright purple. If you enjoyed this episode of Rue Morgue TV, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You can find even more of my spooktacular horror-themed recipes in every issue of Rue Morgue Magazine, as well as my website, thehomicidalhomemaker.com. And butterfly pea oh my god. Sorry. And it's not butterfly pea like urine, it's butterfly like peas like in a pod.